Van Ladder, the one-man aerial workshop. Signs tend to be located directly above a store's front door, and store owners don't appreciate having their customers greeted by a loud truck with smelly diesel fumes. Fortunately, the Van Ladder can operate without the vehicle running. Powered by 3 deep-cycle batteries, this efficient system translates into little or no fumes, noise, or fuel consumption at the job site. The front bumper entry system allows you to drive right up to your work and get in and out fast. The Van Ladder is also designed for easy ground-level access for loading the bucket. Inside the vehicle, the support framework has been engineered to maximize the available cargo area, and the Van Ladder's sturdy, lightweight aluminum construction also maximizes the truck's available payload. A standard feature on every Van Ladder is 360 degrees continuous rotation, eliminating frustrating stop points common on other lifts. All 3 directional functions can be operated simultaneously without a reduction in speed or power, and a corded remote can be used to operate the lift from the ground. The Van Ladder's 45-foot working height is perfect for parking lot lighting. Most other bucket trucks achieve their maximum working height at the center of the vehicle, resulting in a loss of usable height. Not so with Van Ladder. At its highest point, the operator will still be able to reach over obstacles. The side reach of the Van Ladder is also generous. When parked in a convenient forward position, the operator is capable of reaching across common storefront signage without the need to reposition the vehicle. The Van Ladder is designed to be field serviceable, and tech support and troubleshooting from trained factory reps comes free for the life of the lift. In most cases, problems can be diagnosed over the phone, and when parts are required, they can be overnighted to your business, and in most cases, easily installed by your technician. For more complicated repairs or inspections, Van Ladder partners with a national network of reputable independent service centers.
9 times out of 10, it's the technician that's on the job site that has an issue, as his aerial equipment is up in the air, and he may just need help figuring out which relay it is that's gone down and swapping that out real quick. I mean, it's a $10 part. Usually we carry a few relays with us just for good measure, and you've got 10-15 minutes of downtime, and that's it. You're back troubleshooting or doing your work, rather than, oh, the lift is down. Now you've got to have a mobile service man come out that has hydraulics expertise and whatnot. And a huge repair bill that comes with that.
But support with Van Ladder has been always #1 with us. I tell my guys to get on the phone with them and troubleshoot with Van Ladder and see if you can fix it yourself before you're down. And 9 out of 10, we fixed it on site, and the guy was able to keep going.
Well, the past 18 years I've bought, I don't even know how many, 6 or more probably, Van Ladders, and the service is exceptional. It's awesome. Never at any time have I ever felt like I was being taken advantage of or being sold something I didn't need. They really operate with the utmost integrity.